Hello there. So today we are going to understand use navigate hook in React case. So let's head over to our code editor. So first we have to install React Router DOM. So I will quickly install React Router DOM and npm install React Router DOM version 6.10. So previous versions and the versions of React Autodom changes with the specifications. So there are certain dependency errors. So for right now I just stick to that one particular version, and this works well for me and doesn't give any errors. So I always install this version. All right. Okay, as this is installed, let me import browser router from React Rotterdam routes and route. Okay. Inside browser Rotterdam, I will create routes path page one, and element will be, I haven't created element yet. Let's create elements. Let's create pages, sorry. Okay. Page one dot jsx RASC page one element page one. Okay, let's create one more page and page two dot jsx RAFC. It as RAFC imports the boilerplate. You don't have to write from scratch. Page two route path page two, and element. What will be rendered here is page two. Alright. Okay, so this, let me just add home. What we are rendering in home. Let's see this first. Nothing else. Let me create one more route path so that initially it renders to that one particular page element. Let me just add home page homepage.jsx rfc. All right. Yes, so that one is our home page, and these are page one and page two. So where does use navigate comes into play? So let's go to our home page. I will create two buttons, page one, page two. Okay, so we have different things that are used to redirect you to the next page. Use navigate is one of them. Well, use navigate has some other functions. other than this one. We'll discuss them also. Let's first try to redirect it first. Okay, const navigate is equal to use navigate for React router down. Okay, correct spellings. On click, I will just simply navigate to page one. Same it will be with the next button. Just change the page. Let's see here. Okay. Yep. So what the error was about, sometimes like in React there is an issue with the states. You have to like manage the states in a very optimized way, and sometimes I also face errors with use effect because sometimes when we are calling from our APIs from backend, they take some time and our component is rendered first. So what is required in that component is not yet received. So we get to face the error, or we get to like put up a condition to manage that particular error, or that time, that delay. So same is the case with navigate. I was using navigate directly here. So what I should do is I should wrap this up in a function. So till then it will also be loaded and I don't have to face any error, etc. So I will also use function from handle page 2 and navigate to page 2. Okay, handle page 2 plus 2. All right. So yeah, what's the best point about a navigate is we can also navigate to previous page. Like if I am using page 2, let's go to page 2 and once go to next page. All right, go to next page and I will just add a button here on click. Go to next page and go to like previous page, sorry, previous page. Go to previous page. Go to previous page. Import use navigate from React router down. Okay, so what I will do here is navigate -1. Go to previous page. Let's see when we are at page 2. Yes. So what was that logic? You know, when I was at page 2, you know, I'm like writing navigate it to a certain page, and that certain page is usually we have route in this area in this parameter, and but that's not a route, and that's just -1. -1 just states that if we are on a certain page, go one page back, and you know, first let's see when we first we are at home page. I go to page 2, and we have to go to previous page -1, and that we are here at home page. You can like optimize this, use this logic to like handle many of the conditions. Certain like if we want to go to page like one plus one more plus you want to go to the next page you first visited, so you can also do that. That's the whole point of use navigate, and also it's an hook. So it's better to use the hooks rather than links and hrefs, because there's sometimes some where there are certain dependencies and certain like limitations on links and hrefs, which where use navigate seems to be at the top. So that's all. Thank you.